and that 35 minutes is really worth in your life. Actually, it was fun wearing riding gears and riding a horse. Yesterday, after that crazy dinner, we crashed out, and today morning, that is the second day in Shimla, we are planning to go to Kufri. Dears, on the way to Kufri, you can see this beautiful view. I'm not sure if you are able to see. I can see snow-capped mountains from here. You know how thrilling we will be feeling to see the snow-capped mountains for the first time. It is such a nice ride. It is a mind-blowing, stunning ride towards Kufri from Shimla. From the hotel we stayed, that is from the Mall Road Junction, it takes around 35 minutes to reach Kufri. Kufri is around 14 kilometers from Shimla town. And that 35 minutes is really worth in your life. So if you are coming to Shimla, don't miss this ride. Definitely plan a visit to Kufri. Few people would like to stay in Kufri as well, but my suggestion is to stay near Mall Road because everything about Shimla is in and around the Mall Road. So you can walk towards Mall Road. You need not find a place to park your vehicle, so that will be easier for you. And later, if you want, some other day you can shift to Kufri, or you can even visit a small village called Kasauli, which is a very beautiful village. And also there are so many trekking areas in Shimla, but we are not opting for that right now because our main intention is to enjoy the bike ride. It is altogether a scenic ride. You can see this alpine forest. See this white color lorry. Here the entire theme itself is white colored. Look at the snow, man.
Snow point.
Haan. So to go to Snow Point, we will have to park our vehicle here. So here you will get to see single zip line, apple garden, adventure ride, valley crossing, Burma Bridge, village view, Snow Point view, ladder climbing, and many other adventures. And you can use the horse to reach the points. For horse riding, they're charging 500 rupees per person. So many horses you can see. They're charging 500 per head. If you wish to take horse, you can do that.
ये हमारे सर्विसमैन का नंबर है। तो आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है घोड़े से रिलेटेड, आप इस पे कॉल कर देना, ठीक है?
Okay. We are waiting for horse riding and we are at an altitude of 8,600 feet. We can see the viewpoints from there. We will see what all we have in Kufri. But there is no heavy snow to be seen here right now. Maybe in Jan you can find lot of snow, dense snow. But right now you can see only patches of snow. So let's see how it is. Actually, it was fun wearing riding gears and riding a horse. horse ഇങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ ഒട്ടകത്തിന്റെ പുറത്ത് പോയി അവരെ സമ്മതിക്കണം. ഒട്ടകത്തിന്റെ അതിൽ പോയി അവരെ സമ്മതിക്കണം. Wow, snow. This horse riding is not so easy because the surface is not smooth, guys. I'm enjoying but I'm scared also. So guys, after the fun-filled horse riding, we reached the activity spot. So we will go there and see what all activities are there. Poor horses are taking rest. Actually, it's a difficult task for us as well as for the horse, because the route towards this place is not so easy. So I'm not sure how it will be during snowfall time. Now itself it is so difficult, and people were screaming while in horse, and some horses are very naughty. So there is entry fee 10 rupees per head. See yak. If you want, you can take pics on that. I'm seeing yak for the first time. First time, right? So we are seeing yak for the first time. So you have to pay 50 rupees for clicking pics on the yak. Shooting is there. Archery is there. Oh my god, see this huge rabbit. So cute. 20 rupees to hold that rabbit. So here you get to see good souvenir. Gift of Shimla. Nice to have a brother like you. Nice to have a son like you. Nice to have a subscriber like you. Keychains you can get for your loved ones. You can get nice winter wear. You should come here during Jan, so you can see dense snow. The local food items, Maggi, all these are available. We came in the afternoon and it's sunny here. See, we can see snow. 1% 100
फोटो आप नो लिमिट जितना भी बनाओ।
हाँ
फ्लावर बास्केट देगा, मटकी देगा, बढ़िया।
ओके ओके। So you can click pics in this traditional Shimla wear. You have to pay 100 rupees. The first point.
टेलीस्कोप के थ्रू हमें यहाँ से ये 10 आइटम दिखा रहे हैं, ठीक है। चेस्ट एंड ब्रोडोफिलो ब्लेस के आरेगांव एप्पल की हो जाए।
Guys, for telescopic view, you have to pay 200 rupees per head. So you can see mainly the China border, then Mount Kailash, which is believed to be the place of Lord Shiva. You can see Kedarnath, Badrinath peak points. So these are the main things, and many other things also they will show. So if you are interested, if you are here, you can try it out. Such a picturesque place it is. Let me try to go up. Anvita.
No slide.
So guys, touching the first snow. I couldn't find dense snow here, but yeah, there are patches. It's very cold. So guys, it was a very good experience. If you are in Shimla, do visit Kufri, and if you are coming in January, you can experience more snowfall. So right now we are going to Narkhanda. Let's see what is there. It is 48 kilometers from here, and it will take around 1.5 hours. So on the way, the view was amazing. It is like kind of layering. We can see layer of snow throughout towards the valley. It was an amazing view. It's time for us to wind up this episode. Wait for us to be back with another continuation of this ride. So wait until then. Keep supporting me. Subscribe to my channel Anjodey Vlogs. Like, share your views in comment box. See you soon. Bye. Take care. ऐसा ही जा रहा है। सामने लगा मैं। हाँ।